What is the angle PQR in the construction below? This is a multiple choice question, and so you solve the question and then you pick the correct option. We are looking for the value of the angle PQR. So this angle starts from here and ends here. This is the angle we are looking for. As you can see from the diagram, the angle PQR comprises two angles. This is the first one, which I'm going to show it with blue, and then this will be the second one. I'm going to show that one with green. So these two angles make up the angle PQR. So we need to find them and then we will add it together to get the angle PQR. The angle shown with blue, as you can clearly see, will be 90 degrees. So this one here is 90 degrees. And then we have to look for the one shown with green. From this point to this point is 60 degrees. And this 90 degrees line divides the 60 degrees into two. So it means that from here to here is 30 degrees, and from here to here is also 30 degrees. This line here, line QR, divides the 30 degrees into two. So what it means is that from here to here will be 15 degrees. So the angle represented with green is 15 degrees. The one represented with blue is 90 degrees, and the one represented with green is 15 degrees. These two angles make up the angle PQR. So if you want the angle PQR, it's going to be 90 degrees plus 15 degrees, and that will give us 105 degrees. So in this construction, the angle PQR is 105 degrees, which is option B.